We have to call a spade in this video. We have to be extremely plain and sincere. Assemble Protocol is not just anyhow shitty project out there. The project is built on Ethereum network, as you can see, and it has been around for a while now. I will leave the link to their website in the description of this video so you can go read more for yourself. Like, if you're in the crypto space right now and you haven't invested in Assemble Protocol project, I wonder what you're doing with your money. Like, don't you want to get rich? For Christ's sake. Assemble Protocol is not the crypto project you should be sleeping on. Wake up from your slumber right now. Like, seriously. Damn it. Like, I'm not a financial advisor, but to be sincere and to call a spade, Assemble Protocol is a project that has the mega potentials. Like, there are a lot of potentials available for this project still. Okay, in this video we'll be talking about the price prediction for Assemble Protocol. We'll be visiting the chart, running some technical analysis on Assemble Protocol, and okay, please permit me to bring those that are new to Assemble Protocol project up to speed. Assemble Protocol, with the ticker symbol of ASM, is a blockchain-based global point integration platform. It basically provides its users an unrestricted opportunity to use their points similarly as they use cash, like simple as ABC. They can use their point anywhere in the world without time or place constraint. The project is built on the Ethereum network, just as I've said earlier, and yeah. So here's the thing: they got listed on Coinbase few days ago, roughly 14 days plus now, 2 weeks ago, and as you can see, data don't lie. They've really performed well ever since it got listed on Coinbase, which gave it more exposure. It has performed roughly 600% in just 2 weeks of getting listed on Coinbase. The exposure it got was massive. 600, that is easy 6x. Can you imagine? So now, just imagine if it get listed on the #1 CX in the whole wide world, the biggest CX platform in the whole wide world, which is Binance. The exposure is going to be massive. Save this video for future reference. The explosion is going to be massive. Like, Coinbase is the second CX platform, biggest CX platform in the whole wide world, and it pumped 600% ever since it got listed there. So just imagine what will happen if it get listed on Binance. So if you haven't bagged more, this is not a financial advice, but I will say bag more. So let's just give a real quick rundown on how much you will get if you invest $100 into this project right now. I'm bringing it down to at least $100 right now. So if you invest $100 in ASM right now, and hopefully it's going to perform well, because we are in the bull phase right now. The bull market is on. As you can see, the overall cryptocurrency market cap is currently at 2.8 trillion. Like, we haven't had this before. 2.8 trillion. Can you imagine? That's massive, like, seriously. So the project has pumped 600% ever since Coinbase listing. You can get it on Coinbase, Gate.io, and the rest. So let's just head straight to CoinMarketCap so I can show you guys something real quick. Considering the market cap right now, which is sitting at 135 million US dollars, the market cap value has been up 11% in the last 24 hours. And I'm considering the market cap right now. If by God's grace, which is going to happen, you invest $100 right now into this project, and it pumped, which is likely going to happen before this November runs out, 952%. That is almost 10x. That is 9x plus. Let's just say 1,000%. The profit you're going to make from the $100 investment, the profit is going to be almost $1,000. That is $952. Can you imagine? And that should bring the project to a market cap of 1.3 billion US dollars, because the current market cap now is sitting at 135 million dollars, which has enough potential to even go 100x from here. Let's just say you invest $100 now, and the project happened to pump 7,000%. That's almost 70 something x plus, 75x plus. It will bring this project to a market cap of $10 billion market cap, which is very, very realistic. Very, very, very realistic. $10 billion market cap. Considering what's going on in the crypto space now, anything is possible. Like, you never can tell. And this project is a solid project. It's not just anyhow project. It has it's been listed on Coinbase now. They, like, Binance listing is inevitable from here. Now, if this project should head to $10 billion market cap from where it is now, that's almost a 75x plus. The price of ASM is going to be $14. So if you invest $100 now into this project and it pumped 7,000%, the money you're going to be making is $7,268 as your profit. Can you imagine? Like, what the heck are you still waiting for? In case you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Please hit the like button, like this video, drop your take in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, please drop your comment in the comment section below, like maybe thanks, nice video, great. I really appreciate it. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below, and make sure I will leave the link to their website in the description of this video, so you won't get scammed of your hard-earned money by scammers. You understand? Follow the link and then do more research for yourself. So let's just head straight to the technical analysis for what's it called, ASM right now. So ASM, which is Assemble Protocol with a ticker symbol ASM, is currently forming a bull flag. As you can see, this is a bull flag. It's currently forming a bull flag, and the token is currently bullish in almost all the time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. Let's check out 4 hour time frame, so that it won't just be as it was sugarcoating stuff. As you can see, it's also bullish in 4 hour time frame. The RSI is above the 50 line, and the daily time frame is also eventually going to be bullish. Like, the daily time frame is mega bullish. Can you imagine? Like, the project is going to skyrocket from here, mark my word. Let's head back to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame is currently trading far. Like, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 3 hour, the 2 hour, you know, when you want to check a real price direction of a particular token or coin, you have to check the larger time frame. You understand? Because the noise is a bit reduced. You understand? Good. So on the 1 hour time frame, the token is currently trading far above the 200-day EMA, which is a welcome development, and the RSI is above the 50 line, which is showing a bullish momentum, like you understand. And like I said earlier, it's currently forming a bull flag, which in turn is going to add somehow like this, then hit this next resistance zone of 0.20 cent. And if it's able to break the resistance zone and close some few candles above the resistance zone of 0.20 cent, then it should be heading to 0.21 cent. And if it's able to perform well there, like, it's likely to consolidate for a while there before breaking the 0.21 cent. And if it's able to close few candles, few hourly candles or 4 hour candle above the 0.21 cent, then damn it, Assemble Protocol is going to be unstoppable. Like, it's going to go massive, parabolic. It's going to go parabolic. So that's it. I don't intend making this video lengthy. My name is Isaac once again. Please permit me to remind you once again, in case you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. As you can see, this is a technical analysis for Assemble Protocol / USDT pair. On the 1 minute, we're having strong buy. On the 5 minute, we're also having strong buy. On the 15 minute, we're also having buy. like on the 30 minutes, we're also having buy. It's not even up to neutral. On the 1 hour, buy, 2 hour, buy. Can you like just imagine 4 hour? Like I told you guys initially that is bullish in almost all the time frame. So considering where the market is right now, which is we are currently on a bull run, in a bull run, this project is going to go massive. It's going to take a lot of people by surprise. Like seriously, like the prediction I made earlier, heading to 1.3 billion market cap will take this project to around $2, and that will be almost 10x. And heading to $10 billion market cap, the price of this particular token is going to head to $14. That's almost a 70x plus. So don't take this project lightly. Don't take it for granted. Invest the amount you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is risky. Anything can happen. We only predict. Like we'll forecast. You understand? Good. Anything can happen. It can go sideways. So as always, my name is Isaac. I make videos about cryptocurrency and investment. Please consider subscribing to my channel before leaving. It really mean a lot to me. I appreciate your love and support. Drop your take, like this video so that the YouTube algorithm can favor the video. As always, peace out.